Hello, my name is Warren Richard, and this year I will host short segments featuring Cajun cuisine with a pairing from local Virginia wineries. I have lived in Washington, D.C. since 1992, but I'm originally from New Orleans, Louisiana. My parents, though, are from St. James Parish, located between New Orleans and Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Therefore, my style of cooking, Cajun cooking, will present the type of Cajun cuisine particular to that area. I am not a trained cook, I am not a trained chef, but I learned to cook Cajun food from a grande dame of Cajun cooking, my grandmother, Anne Labatt Chauvin. I've sometimes made adaptations to those recipes through the years, and some of those adaptations are shortcuts to cut on time because I worked full time and didn't have time to spend on a laborious recipe, and other adaptations are simply me adding my 2 cents worth. So enjoy and feel free to leave constructive feedback on the Cajun recipes you'll be seeing from me this year. Thank you.